This is a Mercedes E Class, and today we're going to replace the wiper blade. That's a very easy job, so let's go! Welcome guys! Here is a 2000 Mercedes E Class W210 chassis. This model was produced between July 1995 and March 2003. As you can see, the wiper blade is completely out of order. Let's change it. Here is a brand new wiper blade. And this is the axis that will be positioned here. Watch out, this part is shorter than this one. So, if we position the wiper blade like this, there's no problem. But if you place it the other way, it will come out of the windshield. And so, you have to be careful to position it like this. That is to say, with the shortest part on this side. There are two fastening systems. Fastening system number 1. To remove the wiper blade, lift the wiper arm and look. There's a plastic part right there. You have to press it down. Let's do this. Then turn that plastic part 90 degrees. Then push the wiper blade out of the arm. Then move it down and pull it towards you by passing the end of the arm through the plastic part. Then be careful to place the wiper arm gently so as not to damage the windshield. Fastening system number 2. It's easier. Press on that, like this. Then, push the wiper blade to release it from the arm. Move it down, and that's all. Here is a brand new wiper blade. There will be a link in the description below. You got to press on that, like this. Then, place the wiper blade under the wiper arm, move it upwards, then pull it towards you to snap it onto the arm. Then, by placing your finger underneath, push the clip up. And that's it. Thanks guys for watching.